Welcome once again, my beautiful people. Thanks for tuning in to another GQ TV exclusive. You know what I mean? Thanks to everybody that have been watching so far. You know, all my loyal viewers, my subscribers, my new subscribers. You know, I appreciate y'all so much, man. You know, we're winding down to the end of the year. And for the month of December, I probably won't be uploading because I'm gonna be in Jamaica shooting. So right up until about Thanksgiving, we should be dropping movies, you know. But the new year coming, and y'all know I got y'all. You know what I'm saying? Believe that. You know what I mean? Everything gonna be good, and we coming with a lot of new projects in the new year. You know what I'm saying? You already know it's the movie that you haven't seen yet going across the screen. And anything you haven't seen, you know, you could always go back in the channel and check it out. It's GQ TV. You know what I mean? Appreciate everybody donated to the Cash App so far. You know, we really and truly do appreciate it, man. You know what I'm saying? Just thanking everybody that been rocking with us so far. I don't want to take up no more of y'all time, so just sit back and check out this one. It's a new one for y'all. You know, it's called Perfect Lady. And until next time, you know, y'all take care of yourself. And I'll see y'all on the next one. Peace. So you never know how tough it is out there until a woman left you. I mean, for me, she keep on telling me say I'm me, something wrong with me. But me don't know, maybe I'm my ego. But anyway, she just bounce. And I like me I try to find the perfect lady. But you know, out there I test the waters and I try do me thing for just to see if me can come up with somebody to get back at her, you know? But me I tell you, you're rough out there. Me not even want to talk too long. Let me tell you now how everything go down.
Oh, hey, Romeo.
Hey,
Babe, give me a minute. Just 1 minute. Hi.
what's going on?
Nothing much usual. How are you?
Good enough. You look good.
Well, thank you. You don't look so bad yourself either.
Well, may I try?
Okay, that's good. So,
I never know say you're dating already? Again? Date someone?
what's that supposed to mean? Why wouldn't I be dating? Why you think I just run away for you?
Oh, no. I mean, you know, I do my thing myself, you know.
Okay, you're dating someone as well.
Met someone, yeah, everything good.
Okay, it's going great, right?
Yeah, can't complain. Meet someone good, you know. She alright. She treat me good.
That's nice. Good for you.
Yeah. So, your stuff. What are you planning on doing now?
Oh yeah, about that. I was planning to stop by, but I didn't want to just pop up and then I kind of lost their number. But, you know, I will stop by and come get them.
So, yeah, you can come like in the afternoon or so. On a Saturday or so. 'Cause, you know, I really want you. Babes.
I'm coming. Yeah, that's fine. Alright?
Alright.
Okay, cool.
Yeah, belly roll. Sorry to keep you waiting, man.
I gone, bossy.
Yeah, so does that look alright?
No man, Wednesday wrong man. But
How many hours you
work
feel?
8 hour Wednesday.
8 hour Wednesday,
Yeah
okay.
man.
I tell you, Belly, you really gotta make sure that you're punching harder for me to punch you in, and you probably end up getting paid later than normal, you know?
Yeah
So you
bossy,
really,
I try work it out the best you can. Try for me man, say bossy.
yeah, that's good, man. But between you and me, I ran into my ex Tiff today, man, and I feel so weird because I found out that it really looked like she met somebody, man.
Bro, so it been a while now on a breakup. So she must find somebody, so it's time for you to find somebody, bro.
Yeah, I know, but you don't really go out like that, you know. So it's not really easy for me to meet people, you know.
Bossy, but really still, I really want to get in your business still, but I want to really make you and Tiffany break up though.
I mean, you don't know, she just cut
You sure now you did a problem?
me. No, Belly, why would you say that?
No, I'm just ask. Because sometimes we man up pick the beam out of where, you know. We pick it out the other people, you see me?
I'm pretty sure I wasn't the problem. She have her one problem. But anyway, where do people meet people these days?
There was time make you hook you up on. Like man and woman link up. Yeah man.
That's a real site?
Real site man. I something I work with too.
Man and woman link
Man
up.
and woman link up.
Okay.
Yeah man.
I have to go check out this site.
Check it out man because you can find how much right so.
Yeah, and I'm one. She still have some clothes over there. And she ever decide to come for them. We really want she say, "Me find somebody too, you know?
Yeah man, Romeo man, just give it a try man. Hook up on the thing man. Remember you know, man and woman link up.
I
You know
definitely
work
will.
it bro. Woman from all over.
Yeah?
Yeah man.
How come I never
all
hear
over.
about this side?
Bro, just believe in man.
Alright, I'll definitely do that. So
Yeah man.
we'll do that
Don't
one.
forget, man.
Yeah man, we'll definitely do
Yeah,
that.
man.
I'll see you tomorrow. Hey Belly. Sorry to call you at this time. What did you say the name of that site was again? Man and woman link up. Okay. Oh, just stay on the phone right quick. Let me see. Okay. Yeah, I think I got it now, man. Man, I have girls from all walks of life. Okay, alright, yeah. So I'll see you tomorrow. Yeah, man. Okay. Alright. Definitely work with that. Alright. Oh. Okay, alright. Oh yeah. That's good. Could definitely work with this. Just forward it and just go out to work and see this. Yeah, man. Yeah, bro, just go and do your thing, but don't be late. Because you know you can't do that. But let me shout about that, yeah? Alright. Imani! I'm go blind.
Wagwan King?
Want to all of the pot them?
What you mean want to all of the pot them?
The deep pot them, the pot them we can boil stuff in. I don't see none of the pot them.
Listen to me now, King. It's like, I dash you all of them pot there, you know.
You do what?
I dash you all of the pots, cause guess what? I is a true empress. I don't know them pot that contaminated and all of that, so I'm not gonna work with that. So we are getting some new pots, you see?
So you dash for the whole of the pot them?
All of the pots them. I dash you all of them. I'll get some new pots.
How would you do that?
Listen, man.
Jesus.
You have to get out of the Babylon mindset. You see? Yeah, you have to move forward to Zion. You can't stay focused in a Babylon mindset no time.
Imani,
It's like-
Imani. Me have know you do your Rasta thing and me come in you all 100%. But baby, you have to understand, I'm not a Rasta.
Romeo, you are my king, side. So guess what now?
Yes.
Fire for blaze, man. And guess what? The liberty half pure. You see? So here what we gonna do? We're gonna roast some corn and we're gonna deal with some ital stew up on the outside.
Again? We've been doing that for like 2 weeks.
Watch your man.
I
As me
want
say,
some meat in my system.
no corruption in my kitchen. Straight, natural from the earth. You know what I mean? So I just write this. As me say, Romeo, my king, and your liberty definitely have to be pure.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
just do the right thing. You see? Just do the right thing. By the way, you listen to the music?
Yeah, me did start listening to it now, but in the car, but you check
See?
it out, man. You check it out.
That with you, man. As my king, you have to stand up to your empress, don't?
Yeah,
So
man.
you have to do the right thing, man. In the room, there meds, me a meds deep, you know, king.
See.
You see it?
Alright, yeah.
Me a meds deep, so really me have to stay focused, cause they don't know, as me say, the liberty have to pure. You know what I mean? I'm not deal with no corruption. You understand? We have to get out of the Babylon system inside. So just do the right thing, man. I'm why you help me promote the music. As my king, you know, feel like you're even there with me, you side.
Yeah,
So you
yeah,
have to just do the right thing, man, cause everything I go this side.
Okay, alright. Yeah, man, I promise.
So I go just go and make the thing.
Yeah.
And
I
as
promise
me
I'll
say,
listen to it.
promote the music, man. So in the
Alright.
next 10 minutes, we go just go on the outside and deal with some items still.
Yeah, alright. Okay. I got you.
Worry yourself, man. It's all good. Fire in my soul, just like the way me trod through Babylon every day. But me not go stray, my heart stay clean. I tell liberty, my roots stay green. Fire in my soul, just like the way me trod through Babylon every day. But me not go stray, my heart stay clean. I tell liberty, my roots stay green. Me nah about the system, me nah take no bribe. Me chat do. Oh, what one king?
Highly.
What do you deal with it now?
Selassie,
Just stay and go and hear some music, you know.
Nothing for eat.
Yeah, man, we are growing at about to go get some roast vegetable, you know.
Again?
You mean, man, one to your king? Me tell us you live it, you have to right, you know.
Jesus.
You know what I mean? You have to stay pure. You notice some me I drink?
Think you buy enough water?
Buy? What you mean? Natural spring water, this, you know.
From where?
Straight from the stream, you know.
You go catch it?
You mean? You notice? By what? Of a natural be.
Imani, I want you to listen. Just really listen to what I have to say.
Me I listen to you, but I just want you to hear me out a little bit.
Okay.
And just tell me how this sound, aside?
Yeah.
Me empress crown high, me spirit shine bright. Truth in my tongue, me walk with the light. Oh, that sound.
Yeah. I think I've heard enough, Imani. But I just need to say this. I really just need to say this. And I hope you don't take it the wrong way. I'm going to try to say this the best way I can. Okay?
We ask you now, King.
Hold on. I try to wrap my head around this whole Rasta thing. But Imani, unfortunately, it's not going to work out for me. And again, with the songs and when I listen to all of the songs them in the car, I listen to them all. I hate to tell you, but I don't think you're going to make it in the music business.
What you mean, King? On that! On the thought there!
Man,
What you mean? So you want to tell me, say, as my King, you not stand up for the eye?
Imani,
We are deal with Rasta.
I'm just
We are
being-
deal with King.
And it's not just the music. I
What you
can't
mean?
deal with the whole Rasta thing. I can't do it. It's not gonna work for me. You throw away all of my cologne them, all of my roll on them. Me I gotta work. And me have to smell myself if me stink. Me sorry, man, but I have to let you go. I have to break up. I really can't do this. It's not working out for me. I'm sorry, you're such a good person. And you deserve everything good in life that's coming to you. But you will find somebody still. Hopefully, it's a Rasta man, that can, do this whole Rasta thing with you. Okay? Haile, Selassie, I'm sorry, Imani. But it's not me.
Me never ever want to call you Romeo.
No?
But me can't call you my King. Me can't call you my King no more. Besides, because I come to you as a true Rasta Empress. Clean spirit. You understand? Me try to take you out of the Babylon mindset. Don't make you get caught up in the Babylon system. You know what I mean? Me try to make sure so you stay healthy. Decide.
Okay.
But this is not what you want.
Maybe it's not
Sin.
what I want, but it's what I know. And it's what makes me feel comfy. Maybe someday I'll go to the Rasta thing. Who knows? I probably can get convert. But right now, Imani, I'm sorry.
Ja! Rastafari. I know you're going to lift up from your son. I know you're going to pack my things. And I know you're left in the morning. I know see about you. I know see you on no corruption. No time. See it's the world get caught up in the entire Babylon system. And I know you try to change them mindset. But it seems like they're just so caught up. You know what I mean? True strength comes from knowing that nobody's perfect, but there's always room for growth if them willing to learn. Blessed love King.
Highly.
I one day I know say, as an empress, that I come to you with a pure heart and only the truth decide. As I tell you, I said greatness in the King. You side. But I one day I know say, even the mightiest lion have to humble himself sometimes and check him levity.
Oh, yeah?
Seen? But with all that is being said, still just know the perfection belongs to Jah alone. You know what I mean?
Okay.
Yeah, so moving forward, check the eye levity side. Rastafari guide your steps.
Yeah, and yours too. All right?
them gift there. A big gift me like. Just send a lion. Tap up the screen, guys. No, I don't want no small things. What?
Hey, Trina. Where going?
You not gonna work. Oh, you just so quick.
Just down there. I mean, reach us so quick. I've been at work for 8 hours.
Huh? I lie. Hold on. I feel like me saying this.
Did you even do anything?
Me I work on my phone all day.
Work?
Right true. You know I'm out me make.
What do you mean? How you make money? That's
We make money on TikTok. You never know me influencer.
you are?
Yes, I am.
Hold on. So this is what you do all day? Go live on TikTok?
Yes, because that's how me make money.
Really?
By sitting on TikTok, going live, and make them send gift. That's how me make my money.
What kind of life is that?
I influence the life.
Oh, you an influencer?
It's like me a stutter when me attack. Why I repeat all of what me just say?
Okay.
By the way, I got a stage show weekend.
What show is that? Stage show?
Yes, Roger while ago did it and I went next to him. Right now I'm feeling them can't click back in my head right now. No mind. You're coming or you're not coming.
Who's Raja Wire?
Tell me if you're coming or you're not coming, because I can just go out with my friend them. Then I tell me no.
Trina, let me ask you something, right? How old did you say you were again?
It's like a shallow hole in your brain. I'm 19 years of age.
19?
No, 20. I hear tell me I talk to you and repeat. It's annoying. Matter of fact, they're going to get a drink. Because it come like a shallow hole in your brain. Maybe somebody says something, you repeat it. Yawa. You ready? Oh, and another thing. If you hungry or other food come, I won't be cooking. Okay. Argument gonna out of here. No, sir. This no.
Hey.
Oh.
Trina, one.
No, I TikTok with the pan.
TikTok?
Just get that.
What time is it? Just a little bit after 7. Seem like you've been on TikTok ever since you reached this house, yeah? You ever come off of that?
No, but work. Me have to work right through.
Right through?
Yes.
Trina, listen. A Saturday morning, we usually like to sleep a little bit later.
Sleep late? You can't go make some breakfast because right now me hungry, my throat dry. The worm in my belly I ball for mercy.
Hold on, you can't be serious. Ever since you reach here, you don't cook nothing. And me order, sometime I cook. And you tell me, say, me, you have the audacity to tell me, say, me figure breakfast. No, you fear do them something.
I lie. No, you are man. No, you supposed to feed me and me feed you. You look your head.
Alright, but you know, it's like me don't know how to say this. There's no right way to say this or what them say, right way or wrong way to say this. What me I go just say to you straight? You have to go.
I lie.
True. This not gonna work out.
Oh, you never did that say so when you saga me. And I said, oh baby, I love you. You're the best. I love you so much. But no, all of a sudden, throw me up on TikTok. Me have to go. The TikTok people, me I hear this little Yes, man, this little crosses. Hey, I don't want nobody pick him up, you know.
You got me
A
alive?
waste man this. Imagine me I do my work and you lie on the bed. I just after 7. And you want me fit up in nice and my work me I do. And here you behave. And the time early.
You have me alive?
What fit happy?
Alright, but you have to go.
You know if you say
You just
party, me I come out of this. Can you see
Alright.
scissors me can't have my freedom, me no see sense me in this. And my family them they have to know everything.
Alright, that's it. You have to go.
You know if you say party more, me I come out of this. Cause since as me can't have my free time in this is like me under lockdown, me I come out of this. But they gonna show you something. Don't forget, you're not perfect, You have issues too. And that me I tell you. As a matter of fact, me not even go carry my clothes and take you and give other girl them. Right.
There's nobody left. There's nothing out there. Yeah, Billy. Thanks for come by on. This will fine back then. You can work with this?
Yeah, man, that good man.
Okay.
That very good man, boss man. What else, man?
Yeah.
So, how the site are going with you?
Too bad, couple of girls come through already. But
When you talk couple girls, like much girls?
how much come through already? But 2 of them it date already. But the girl they come with be a problem, man.
Problem?
Problem. Them come with be a problem, man.
Right now, my mind terms are really a problem still. No?
Me had a problem. Why you always say that? Why you think say my problem?
Me try the site, I never have no problem. You get me, I say? You and your girlfriend live, and you say, I share the problem. No, you meet 2 girls on the site, and the 2 girls you meet so far a problem for you too.
But me I tell you that. And
No,
me
man.
hate them.
No, something wrong with them, bro. You and your girlfriend live, Zine, and you say, I share the problem. No, me hook you up on a site, and you meet 2 girls on the site so far, and you are tell me no. Say, them a problem same way. No, man. Look to yourself, bro. Look to yourself, man.
I don't know if I tell you in a belly.
Still, I don't want to give up still because somebody out there for you, bro. Somebody out there for you, so don't give up. Somebody. You get me, I say?
I just lucky, man. You go up on the site and it work for you. That's all pure luck. And everybody have the same luck.
But please be reminded, God I go love you one time too. Sometime in life, God I go love you too. Just like I love me. God must love you, man.
I hope so.
Yeah, man.
Why? Sometime just wish it work out with Tiff, I swear. You can't dwell upon the past, yeah, man.
I understand what you're saying, but I always running her a couple times, well, but say her again, I can't talk for you.
No. Don't do that.
What do you mean?
Me don't want to look like, me don't want to look too vulnerable, like, me can't find nobody, you know?
Bro, sometimes you have to be the man still.
No, nobody heard that.
All right.
You just go and do me thing, man.
Anything else then?
Yeah.
Yo,
man.
so get some trace, I could bust some fever on man and have a drink, man.
Yeah, let me do that.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
No problem.
Jesus Christ. It's a bed here, no, sir? The sheet have to change, man. It smells frownsy. It's a place I want one special touch up. All them curtain I need to change. They look nice, but then dirty. I want one sheet to put on the bed. No, me no know a Romeo. Who
Debra?
is it?
Romeo.
Okay, come inside. Why you knocking?
Yeah, Debra. Well, my grandmother also myself. If you knock on closed doors, you know.
I need a hi.
Wagwan.
I need 2 sheets.
Two
The fitted and the flat with 2 pillowcases, please.
And this one dirty already?
It dirty, need to change and it frownsy. Can I have 2 clean one, please, with 2 pillowcase?
All right. Yeah, man, them are good, all right.
Thank you.
Even though I did like them, another set there still. But you know, Debra, it was something that I wanted to talk to you about, you know?
What is it?
I know you've been here for a while now and you know everything been going all right. You know, you keep the place nice and clean and everything. I really appreciate you. I really do.
You're welcome.
But Debra, I gotta tell you, you can't keep moving up my stuff. Me like put my stuff them when me can, we know say them there and when me can reach them and thing. So if you don't mind, anything where you see me having the like, even me share them, me have them one special place. But kind of have them there for a reason, you know? You see what I say? I don't try to be all, you know?
Romeo, you think it's a problem for me to clean up the place and move your stuff? I put them somewhere where you can find them. All you have to do is just ask me where they are. I'll just tell you.
Yeah, but I don't feel like I should, you know? I feel like, and plus sometimes when I leave you, I sleep, and I don't want to wake your feet. Me just want to know my stuff them there, my brother. I've been doing like that forever. You know?
That's okay. You can wake me up. I'll just wake up and show you where they are. That's okay.
And really and truly, Debra, it's not just the bathroom stuff. It's everywhere. Me don't know where the egg pot there. Me don't know where my teacup there. I'm sorry, Debra, but it's a little bit much, you know? If you can just...
The egg pot, it's in the kitchen under the cupboard.
See, me not even notice that there's right there.
Yeah, but people normally put pots under the cupboard and the plates on the top in the tray.
All right.
Oh. Jesus Christ.
My bag, me sure somebody left me bring me in my bag with me.
Oh, it's on top of there.
And that's what it did there. This morning, me I look down the whole place with the bag.
No, it was right here. You leave it on the floor and it's not nice putting your bag on the ground. So I just put it up. I think it's much safe out there. Yeah, and it look more better up there. Don't put it on the ground.
Jesus.
Romeo?
Yeah.
Give me a minute, please. My family is coming over Sunday. They're coming to have dinner.
Oh, yeah, no problem.
You okay with that?
Yeah, babe.
Sure?
Yeah, man, everything good. Man.
Okay, thank you.
That's all right. All right?
Okay. So you alright? You know, I'm glad you don't come.
A little bit of food that I thought about glad you come.
Me have to leave for Romeo food and me give you some already. And me give you some.
That's the food we got.
So, me,
I want more ice cream in it.
yeah, me can give some more ice cream if you want.
Evelyn.
Yo,
Hi, babe.
General, pick up yourself, you know. Respect to the hospitality, you know.
Yeah, man. No, I'm kind of tired, so I'm going to go put down.
Yes, but General.
Yeah.
You don't want me to help you bring the bag? You okay?
As a matter of fact, Debra, let me speak to you for a minute now, please.
Okay, I'm coming.
Me tell the man about hospitality and this a penny kitty. This now up to par with hospitality. I don't think man want some more ice cream. I don't think I feel like man. Now hold on my mouth and chat. No dear.
Just always a
Just some
insult
ice cream.
people. Me always care when you come here if you come insult me. Like seriously as a family.
How about a little bit of food that? Little bit of food that.
Why you shout?
I say man a foreign man, you know man. The man got foreign regular. Well, you just beat up yourself. You say man not understand. The man talk. The man not talk no part of business.
What you mean? Him
The
understand?
man just pass a while ago. Man say, hey. Man talk.
Because him go college overseas and he speak proper English.
Oh, the man not understand the message. I'm telling you man, guy eat that man.
I'm hungry now.
Sure, some ice cream can't come.
Go for some of my food, man. Right now I'm hungry.
The food finished. The food will leave in the pot of Romeo. No, me can give you some more ice cream, but
This an hospitality.
Get
Man,
Get sausage.
a line like.
me go go on some grocery phone no carry one and we just share it up. But different from that and me can't take this no more. Anyway, I want to go talk to him because him
Yes, sir. We have a cup of ice cream. What if you put that little bit of food there?
You know, so we are come. You know, so we are come.
me have to go talk to him now. Me soon come back. Me I go give you the liquor ice cream and I just act greedy, you know, insult me. Me can't take this no more.
No.
Some can.
Women now come back at this a low life place. Yeah. You come back a hospital with them, man. You have to big food.
This is a hospitality. This is a clinic. Clinic.
Here, babe.
So, Debra, what's going on?
They're my families and you already know them. I told you that they was coming over.
I know, but I thought that was only one Sunday, which transcended into 2 Sundays. No, it seemed like it's the whole week this week.
Babe, don't start again. It's fine. It's my family and they're your family too. It's your in-laws. What's the problem?
Debra, I mean, I heard everything that was said out there. And I seen it going on. And I thought it was going to be every day. I say, you know what? We not say nothing. We just going to make it slide. And then you keep on going into the next day and the next day and the next day. It's like the whole week now. I can't afford that. What are you doing? You cannot have your family over here every day. I'm sorry, but can't happen.
Okay, they just came over because they were feeling hungry and I gave them some food.
Debra, it's like you're not getting... You're not reading what I'm writing. As a matter of fact,
I don't understand what you're saying. Anyway, why did you put this here? Pulling not to put it here. It
no,
does not look good.
Debra, leave the bag. Please. I just want you to understand what
The
I'm
dust
saying.
in the bag choking me. See, the dust in the bag is choking me. I told you not to put it there. It look much better over here.
Debra,
Huh?
you're simply not getting what I'm saying. This is not about the bag. I mean, I spoke to you before about your family and everything. I'm simply just saying it's too much for me. It's over. I'm sorry.
Just like that?
This relationship is over. I'm sorry.
Romeo, I can see that you did not love me before.
It's not.
It was like I'm your house help. You didn't love me. I can see that. Because love is natural. And you just fall in love and fell out of it just like that. Like seriously? Love is natural. Love doesn't go like this.
Hey! Yes, but General. Tell you, man. Hey, we are moving on, man. We are moving on.
Alright then.
Gee. AC, you know, man. No, sir. Yo, you know, fully AC, my General, man. Fully AC on it. Yo! You know. Yeah, glass, so, yo, you're my best family, you know. You know what? General, so what's on the man? Respect, you know, because we enjoy, we celebrate over there, General, you know. You don't do anything with General.
Listen,
So what's up?
listen. I'm leaving. I have to leave.
Yeah, then leave. Oh, then we say we are leave.
No, Romeo broke up with me. I have to leave.
That's a fear business in Romeo.
When
Because
Oh, come on, man.
he said that
Hold on, big boss. Hold on. Watch out. General, I don't know how General same size man. Yes, sir. You can't work with it.
no, just
Hold on, yeah.
you can't do that.
You know, say any man leave. The same thing good I make any man left, you know.
Yeah, you and you.
Oh, if you do that. Boss you away.
Because he just
Boss
told me
you
that
away.
I bring my family
No,
here.
look here. Me. This
All
man
the
are
time.
kind to
And
me.
you guys come and
Someone
take
are
out
kind to-
everything.
No,
So-
me know why man good I left. Cause you wanna. You see you wanna treat a family good. Bossy. I see him like you know, where some could have work with it. Yeah, alright, that's it. I saw some family member like you know. That's all no. That's all no. Yo, come on now, Jessica. So bad man, that's how man move. General, pick up yourself. Yo, auto love here. Never saw auto love me tell her. Tell man. You know see man rate me. You know see general rate me. General, tell general man. Oh dear man. Come on now man. Tell. What do you know? You know see what you want in there?
Babe, please. Just don't let me go. Please forgive me. I'm sorry. I won't let that come back here.
I'm sorry, Debra. Just go, Debra. I'm sorry. Please.
Okay.
It's not gonna work out.
Sure that you don't want to forgive me?
I'm sorry, Debra.
Romeo, I'm so sorry that you're sending me away. I'm seriously mean it from my heart that I did love you and I still love you. But you have problems too. Bye. You're gonna regret this, Romeo.
Belly, there's nobody left, bro. There's nothing out there. Never work out. I did really have high hopes for Debra. Me? Me are the problem? Hey, Sonia.
Hello.
Hey, you look just like your profile. You could come in. Just make yourself comfortable, man. I hear a place, man. Yeah, man, I hear a place now, man. Not worry about nothing, you know?
Very nice.
You like it?
Yes, I do.
You see yourself living here for
Years.
ever?
Yeah.
Years? Alright, that's good, man. So sit down now
Okay,
and
thank
get
you.
comfy. So how was the ride? How was
Long?
Yeah?
Yes, it was long.
Let me get that for you, man.
Thank you.
So, this is my place, you know, and I hope you're gonna stay here for a while. But I know it's your first day, but as soon as you get freshened up, them have a good karaoke bar down there, so, in the square. I think I would say after we freshen up, we can just go down there, have a drink, you know, have a good time and come back. How that sound?
I'm okay with staying home.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow.
Just show me around the place.
All right.
Get comfortable.
Everything is
Shower.
around. Everything is around there. Rooms, bathroom. I'll show you around.
Okay then.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Come on. Well, I mean, I tell you, bro. Listen, it's like God love me. Tell me now and tell us, let me find the one. Bro, believe me. She don't like gold. She don't like none of them something there. She just like stay home. Yeah, bro, Netflix and chill. A fear thing. Cool, man, watch it. We just follow them and place clean. Food, cook, everything. Yeah, bro. That me I tell you, man. We find it, man. We find it. I'm gonna say hi to her. Yeah, tomorrow. Hey, Sonia.
I'm back here.
You say you never liked the name Sonia, right?
Call me Eve.
Eve. Okay.
Sonia.
Eve.
Yeah, better.
So the place look nice and everything, man. Like you clean
Yeah,
up.
they are clean from morning, you know.
Y'all wash the clothes them too?
Yeah.
I lie. I want me to deserve this.
You don't do nothing.
Cheese and peace, babe.
It is my work.
So you are going now. Tomorrow night, party at the upper Sheldon, and then Saturday night at the big party. Which one of them you want to go?
None of them. Tell her before, so I'm rather stay home. Once me have Netflix, food, you know, yeah, I'm good.
You don't want to go none of them?
No.
So you're good with staying home?
Yes.
Netflix and chill?
Yes, and food.
Wow. That's amazing. So y'all cook too?
Yeah. Food in the kitchen.
I lie. No, so I have to eat some of this food there. So, I'm going to eat because I'm hungry.
Alright, so I can't eat with you too.
Alright, cool. Hey, Evie.
Give me a second, you know?
Oh, sorry for interrupting.
What are you saying?
But yeah, I said, the bike show.
Bike show?
Yeah. 2 o'clock. You want to go or you no?
I told you countable times that I want to stay home. Rather stay home.
Yeah, man. Just did ask. You know, everything cool, man. That's all good. So now go up there, yeah? It'll be about 4 hours. Alright, cool.
Yeah.
And no matter what about dinner, we'll bring something, yeah?
Alright then, thank you.
Alright, babe.
Have a nice day.
Yeah, man.
Yes, what are you saying? Yeah, so what time? Okay. Alright, then just do it after. Alright. Yeah, me there if it's watching.
Boy, Eve,
Give me a second.
I tell her the bike show is mad. Fancy doing thing.
I come back first.
Yo, Mr. the man doing wheelie and spinning around with the girl on him back. Yo, I couldn't believe. I tell her.
You enjoy it, dear?
Yeah, man. But babe, see what I said? Come let me left. Got the bike show. That was what? 4 hours sitting over. And I come like, why come like in at the same position? What go on?
Coming up on my phone.
And I come like, you still up on it. Yeah, you're up on the phone. That's how you talk to some babe.
My ex me I talk to.
You what?
My ex.
Ex as in ex-man?
Yeah, Imani me did there with that me left him. Something wrong with that?
So, hold on. Let me get this straight. So, you communicate with your ex?
Yeah, my son call her back. What is it?
You communicate with your ex? Or ex them?
Yeah, me and them talk. Me communicate with them. We check up on each other. Me and all of them talk.
I wanna close?
Yeah, close like that. So sometimes call them yard, me and them sleep. Nothing happen. Sorry, got conversation.
Hold on there, E. Hold on there. Let me get this straight. See, I tell me, say, you and all your ex them close, you know, communicate, hang out.
And that me just say, you there for an year. Which one?
Oh,
Let
Jesus.
me ask you one question.
Yeah.
You and your ex are not good. You not talk.
No.
You not check up on them. They not check up on you.
No, Eve.
What I mean no?
Not 1 second.
To me, it's like a phone relationship never count. Because there is no way you got have an ex and not communicate.
No. They're ex for a reason. Me not do that something there, Eve.
Listen to me. Me have communicated with my ex because them did it with me. I'm gonna tell you something. One of them I go through hell. I'm yard. He asked me if he can come stay with me. Which him asked me if he can come stay with me. So I make him come and stay in a room one day, so.
In the what?
The back room.
What? The room on there, sir?
Yeah, the back one. The back room. The last room.
You're serious? Oh, Jesus. I know this was too good to be
You know
true.
what, dear? Is there something wrong?
All right, Eve. That is it. I'm sorry, but you're gonna have to go. It not gonna work. That you
Romeo.
always.
We are trying to say.
I'm trying to tell you that this is it. This is the weird the relationship come to an
Let me
end.
ask one question.
I can't move forward with that.
Me and my ex are not there. You see it?
Me
We
understand.
only talk. And me help him out. Him help me out when time me want help too. And just because me give him the okay, we come here, come see with me, you gotta talk about, oh, this is it. You lick your head.
If me lick my head,
And that's how you go. I'm not getting anywhere.
I'm sorry, Eve.
I'm not going anywhere.
Unfortunately, it's not your choice. I can't do it. I can't do this. I can't do this. I thought this was really gonna work, but that ex something there, Eve. That's a little bit too much for me. You can't even stay till tomorrow. You have to go leave. No.
Okay, fine.
Right now.
Fine, I will leave. See you, Romeo? You're like you're perfect, but you're not perfect. And you have a problem to me, I come out, I'm leaving.
So, Ivani,
Yes,
this
Romeo.
is it. It's at the main room. Yeah, man. Hopefully
I
you
like
can.
it.
You like it?
Yeah, I like it.
Hopefully you can stay here for a while, you know,
Yeah.
or forever.
Right.
You know how that go.
Okay,
I'm
Romeo.
glad that you came.
Yeah,
You know,
thanks.
I have to say, definitely nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too,
Yeah,
Romeo.
man. You seem quiet though. For the whole trip back, you know, said nothing.
Yeah, so me stay home, me like forget to know people and I'm kind of quiet. Yeah,
Quiet, laid back.
Yeah.
My kind of girl, man. So I'm just to go share out the food and then you can come, yeah?
Oh, alright, yeah.
All right, cool.
One Keisha call me. Miss her call. Yeah, Keisha girl. Yeah, girl, you know, me must say, me tell us, say, me a go hold them, you know. Me say, girl, oh Jesus, oh be unto God when me hold one. I must kill him. Me say, me a go strangle it. Girl, no tell me to hold my cool. Me not hold no cool. You know the word about friend you have. And you lucky say me can talk to you more louder than girl. Come on, no man. You're going like say no know the type of friend where you have. Girl, no, me not take foolishness. So me say me I go do. Me say me I go kill one. Me say me I go drop one pan in neck and broke kill it. Girl, you're going like say you want to tell me too much about over cool down. Girl, me not depend that with you, know. Me not depend that with you. You ever want to cry peace? Girl, me not like peace. Or war always. Me love the problem and you know say me love the problem. Girl, come off of this. Can you not talk not with sense right now? I don't know what she come and tell me say. Me do anything me feel like do. If I want to kill one, me kill one. Lucky say Romeo face me there to behave. What happened to you? What happened to you?
What happened to me?
Yeah, babe, me not like it. You want make people disrespect you, you walk over. After you no walk over, no make nobody walk over you and take disadvantage of you. It can't work so. Romeo, it cannot work like that.
Funny.
Yes.
I'm still trying to wrap my head around what you did at the supermarket. You almost killed the girl.
Almost kill her. I kill me, didn't want to kill her. No, girl, come around, no joke with my man with no yai. She use her yai steer down. I want.
She was totally harmless. It didn't mean anything.
You know what I can do? Romeo, you know what one girl eye contact to you can do?
No, what?
Oh, what? What? Me I prevent it before it happen where you can see what can happen. It cannot work like that. No, girl, no joke with my man. But she in a line and a steer down. No, it don't work like that.
What happened to the little quiet Vani that I met the first day? Clearly you're somebody else. Somebody different. I saw a different side of you today.
Well, me love my man and me I protect my man. Listen, me no there so 50-50 who want protect who and who. Me just want to say reach home and you know gone home with the next girl. So just pack out the bag and cook some food, make we eat and relax. That's said and done.
Come like you love war, Vani.
Love what kind of war? Love what kind of war? If you protect my man. Oh, so if you protect my man, me love war. And it's a regular day this for me. Me slap in a girl face anytime, any day. Want me to you, relax and come cook your food.
You don't have to protect me.
No, you don't tell me that. You don't tell me that. You don't have any rights to tell me that. Who is you to tell me that, Romeo? Romeo, listen to me. Don't make me get dark in this. Just do what you do and don't make you have to see next year. See one side of me today, part one. Don't make you have to see part two. Come, get up. Come cook the food, man. What happened to you? Get up. But me no fear protect you. Me go protect you until they do us apart. Get up, Romeo. Come. Romeo, me not like how you move. Come. Cheer up yourself, man.
I tell her, Ivani, you sat there, you're busy, you're afraid. Lord Jesus Christ. Ivani. What you do with that?
What you mean by when I do this?
You have gun?
Yeah, me have to sleep with it to protect myself.
Protect yourself from who?
Yeah, most of the time I come from, you know, nobody now come kill me down here, you know.
Ah, Jesus Christ. This thing I just take a different turn.
Hey, boy,
Put that down, man. Don't point that for me.
what you worry about?
What me I worry about?
Yeah, you don't have nothing to worry about, Romeo. Baby, just relax. You're there with a bad girl.
What me think you had this
That's
humble
what you...
girl with...
Darling, that's what you thought. But I don't say go in a real. I don't say go.
So you walk with that every day? Huh.
Yeah.
Everything alright?
Yeah, everything alright. Just relax, man. Now use it for you. Alright?
Oh, Jesus. Yeah, but it's alright up until now. I never know, say, you're that kind of person, eh? Like, clearly you come like you have problems with people.
Babe, it's not a bad thing to protect yourself. You have to protect yourself in this life. If you not protect yourself, who go protect you?
But you're a gangster, man.
You never know. Babe, having a start right now, no boy. No. What me say? None.
No, but take that back out.
Them can't violate a baby. You're mad. Boss a girl and a boy head. No fear. Relax, man.
Jesus.
Relax. Listen, we're gonna just have some food. This never happen. This never work. Okay?
So, Ivan, what we did want to tell you, remember we see the little, insect them run around. So, here we go, in a couple of days, they're going to fumigate the place, yeah? Like, come right through.
So how this just come up sudden?
No, but me don't tell you, man.
Oh.
Me don't tell you. So, you can take out all your stuff, them, and
Right.
just leave for like a couple of days, and then you come back.
So,
Yeah?
where you are gonna stay, babe?
No, me I go and see for my bedroom, man. My bedroom, Ricky. Remember me make you meet him?
No. Babe, me not just say no. You sure you're not going on me?
No, don't go on you.
Me try if you not trust me instinct, but anyways, go eat some food, no? You're not hungry. Why you seem so nervous?
Not really hungry, but me eat something.
I will tell you if you take up bad girl. Come on, man, we'll go eat some food. I'm hide my thing.
Hello, Romeo.
Yeah, Ivani.
Yes, Romeo, we've been waiting for your call. Finally, you are here.
Alright. So you are going now, Ivani. Ivani, you can't come back.
Eh?
You can't come back here.
Hey, this is a joke. What do you mean by I can't come back? What do you mean? I don't understand. Break it down.
It's an official breakup. I'm sorry.
You're sick. You're mad. Your pop something else. No, we not pop.
Clearly, you.
Hey. Me level this for you. Me tell you this. You know, say me didn't know say you're too good for me too dirty, man. You see, me didn't know say that you have no intention. Me analyze you. You don't know. You don't want to face me again. No.
Clearly, Ivani, you're a war boat. I can't deal with it. I can't deal with that in my life.
Oh, you're full of problems like our coronation market full of fruits.
Me full of problems?
You're full of problems. Make you full of problems, so everything problem with. Listen to me, man. Listen to me. Don't stop on my bus stop here. Bus stop this. Me fine you. Don't make me see again, you know. Me said, don't make me see again. Anyway, they try to stay there, see your house, me burn it down. So make sure you abandon the truth. Yeah? Come after this and call me back. Dirty man.
Jesus. What kind of crisis this? There's really nobody out there. Hey Tiff, I got your message. Just to let you know that Friday afternoon at about 1, I'll bring the clothes to the beach parking lot. Alright, so I'll see you then. Cool.
Hey,
Hey.
what's up? Thing? You brought everything?
Yeah, everything in the morning.
Alright, so what's the big deal why I could come by the house?
Well, I never really want you. You look weird and with me own the and thing, you know?
Romeo, cut the crap.
Got what crap?
Are you actually dating someone?
Oh, jeez. Is that obvious?
Yes.
Yeah, really, I'm not date nobody. There's literally nobody out there. Jesus.
So why you lying then?
Me did actually want to make a good impression. Because when I see you with your man, I say, oh, you look like you had do good. And then I try to find somebody to, but believe me, there's literally nobody out there.
Well, honestly, after you and I, that was my first days. It didn't work out. It
Seriously?
wasn't for me. So I guess there's nobody out here for me either.
Babe, you want to get back together? Seriously. Me need you home. Like, me not the big old empty house by myself. I try, but there's nobody out there.
I mean, I miss you a lot, but Romeo, there's some stuff that needs work, and you were the problem. You know this, and
I
you have
was?
to be, yes, you have to be willing to work on that in order for this to work.
I never know that.
You had problems compromising. We had communication issues. I would tell you not to do something, and you did exactly that. You left stuff all over the house. I had to be walking behind you, picking up stuff. That was very chaotic for me.
Jeez. Alright, babe, I apologize. So, you move back in?
Are you willing to try to change?
Definitely. I'll do everything. I promise I'll be a better one.
Okay, because I did this.
Hey, Belly. Boy, you're not gonna believe this, man. Me say, bro, after dating so many different types, just realize that there's nobody out there, brother. I'm telling you, man, I really tried. You know, I gotta say thank you, Belly, for hooking me up with the site, man. You know, I really gotta give you credit. You know, may I say? I mean, I'm gonna see you for a couple of weeks now. Hopefully you feel better when you know? But may I tell you, brother, you wouldn't believe what happened. Me say me bring the clothes and go get Tiff. And you know, so we end up back together, brother. Oh my God, man. Right now, she had tell me, say, me did have problem too, but brother, I could just try to do my best and work for my relationship. I swear to God. After the last female Vani, man, brother, may I tell you, man, me really think that she'd have got blow off me head. Brother, I'm telling you, Belly, trust me, there's no one out there, man. Right now, I got to fight for my relationship. You know, let me see me talk to you still. Zane? So just go and save it up and go and feel better. I mean, definitely talk to you, man. Boy, may I tell you, there's a God in heaven, brother. Trust me. We chat here? Yeah, man. See you soon.